Hello Internet, I'm Scott and this is PLUGHITZ Live Unboxed. Today we're going to take a look at a product that's a little unusual for us, but still a consumer electronic. This is a plug-in nightlight set from Vont. Now, normally our lights are connected devices, but not everything needs to be connected. Sometimes a simple product can get the job done. And when it comes to a nightlight, the concept is pretty perfect, right? You've got a light, you plug it into an outlet, it's got a sensor. When it gets dark, the light comes on and you move on. And so that is exactly what we have here. And in fact, this little collection has a couple in here, if I remember correctly. It's a 4-pack. So let's take a look at what's in the box and what these little guys look like. So in the top of the box, we have a welcome message from the company, which is kind of nice. Inside, we have definitely got 4 of these little night lights, which are a little struggle to get out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I will take one of them out of the plastic so we can see what it looks like. We've got an extension cord down here so we can even plug them in and see what's going on. So there is what our night light looks like. It's a pretty simple design. It looks like we have got possibly an LED here on the front and an LED here on the bottom. So maybe you can have direct and indirect light, or maybe this is just a light sensor. We'll find that out in a little bit. Honestly, there does not appear to be anything else to this light, which is pretty exciting because, as I said, simple concept and should be simple to put together. Here we have a thank you note from the company. I always like that. We've even got some information about a Vont VIP club, process for activating your lifetime warranty, things like that. So lots of information here, most of it through their website, which reduces the number of things we have to throw away. So benefit as far as I'm concerned. For right now, I'm going to push those to the side. I'm going to grab our cable. This is one of our production cables. So I'm going to plug this in. And as we can see, nothing has happened. I'm going to try covering this front bit. Yeah, there we go. If I cover the front bit just right, hopefully you can see, yeah, you can see that the light itself is coming on and going off. And so that's it. That's the idea. All you should have to do is plug this thing in and you're off and running. Obviously, we don't know exactly how bright this is because this is being filmed in our studio and there are a ton of lights aimed at me right now. The fact that you can see this at all, though, is an indication that it is likely bright enough to get the job done. We will be doing a full product review on these products over the coming, it's fun to do, I apologize. Over the coming weeks, we will be doing a full product review on the product, and that will be available at our website at plughitslive.com/reviews. Once it's published, we will put a link in the description of the video as well. If you want to see some of our other unboxing videos, if you're watching us on YouTube, you can stay here and you'll see all of our videos in a playlist for Unboxed. If you are not on the website or not on YouTube and you want to see everything, you can go to unboxed.live. And there you'll see all of our videos for all of our unboxings, from these night lights to a $200 webcam from Razer. We've got a little bit of everything over there. And of course, we will get some reviews up soon. And the company has done something for us. They have given our viewers a discount code. The information is right here in the video. So definitely check that out if you want to give these things a try. They're inexpensive. They seem pretty light, pretty bright, and they're lightweight. Seems like a no-brainer to me. So probably an easy review. That'll be up soon. And with that, until next time, ciao. Hello YouTube, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of PLUGHITZ Live Unboxed. If you did, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell, since we know subscriptions don't mean that much here anymore. Also, you can check out all of our other shows here on YouTube, or you can go to plughitzlive.com/subscribe, and there you'll see all of our shows, including F5 Live, The Pilch Point, and of course a whole lot more. And you can see all of the reviews for the products that we do the unboxings for by going to plughitzlive.com/reviews.